Hello guys and welcome back again by today's new crypto daily update video, and in today's video we're gonna discuss the huge liquidations that are happening right now. A massive setup forming right here and exactly what we talked about. Major support we are finding right now and we took off all the longs. So what can we expect next? And let's dive right away into that right now. So after the heat up against Israel and Iran here, Israel sent missiles towards Iran, and we saw a massive dump in the market here, and we saw almost $1.2 billion got liquidated here in the past 24 hours, or exactly in the last 12 hours here. And from that, it was $1 billion in long. And I said yesterday in a video, don't open up high leverage longs because it's too dangerous. And exactly that is what we have been seeing right now. A huge liquidation for people that are trading with too much leverage here. So it's pretty interesting to see, because much liquidations in the market means that we will probably turn on the other side, because people are out of longs right now. So the sweet favor side is now towards the upside here. So let's dive right away into some charts here. I talk about this a lot here, and that's the structure of the market. But for now, it performed really good. We made a new higher high, and after that, I said already, what a really good thing here is to create a higher low. And that's exactly what we have been doing here. We went down a little cool down towards the downside, which is pretty likely here. And now we created a higher low here. And after this structure from a lower low, a higher high towards a higher low, what we expect next is a new higher high, and in this case a new all-time high probably. So this is a really good signal here. We created a higher low, we didn't lose any structure here. So things are looking very good, and I've been talking about this setup and this little cool down towards the downside to create that higher low for a while here, live on my YouTube channel and over on my X page. So this is pretty good to see, and I'm literally scaling into trades right now, because this is exactly what you want to be seeing for the next leg up. Also, we created that higher low exactly at a very, very, very strong support level here. If you draw it further towards the left side here, this was a previous range, and we supported on it 4 times here, 5 times. And also that was the jump pad of this massive move towards the new all-time high, which is a pretty strong level here. Then we got some support right here, and after here we also got supported by this zone here after we grabbed some liquidity. And now we are currently exactly bouncing from off the same level here, which looks pretty bullish in my opinion. Also, we had some support here, we broke through it, but now this is a really good point to create a higher low. People have been taken out here. Everyone was long. We are at a very, very good point to create a higher low. And structure wise, we didn't lose anything, so things are looking very good. And this is literally a approximately 7% discount which you got on your investment if you wanted to buy Bitcoin at these higher stages. And if you buy right now, you have a 5% discount literally from off this top where you wanted to buy. So please make sure to make the right decision here, because I really think that we have so much more potential towards the upside. And of course, this news makes panic in the market, and that's completely normal. But the V-shaped recovery we see afterwards will be even bigger here. So yeah, please make sure to anticipate on that. And then I want to be pointing out something. There was a lot of liquidity stacking below here, and we have been talking about that literally live on my YouTube channel here. So what did we saw? We saw a shakeout towards the downside with the Trump news and the Trump and Elon Musk news. We saw that move towards the downside exactly to take out the liquidity, and probably you have been taken out here as well. What did we saw afterwards? A V-shaped recovery and created a new higher high that was approximately a pump of 8%, where you have been taken out right here. And that is exactly what we have been seeing right now. we saw literally all the people were long from off this level. Everyone has been taken out. And if we anticipate on this V-shaped recovery here, we will see another pump towards the upside. And this is pure a shakeout wick. These wicks towards the lower side, that means that people has been shaken out here, which is a pretty good signal to a surge towards the upside. Please don't get taken out by these wicks. And I really think that a V-shaped recovery here is a very, very likely scenario. Now, I am anticipating on that literally right now to open up some trades, because these setups are literally the best, because it's a fast move towards the upside and pretty likely to go up from here on. Then if we look at the liquidity which we have been taken out, which is a good sign, which caused for a almost 1.2 billion liquidations in the market here, we see that every single liquidity here has been taken out towards all these lows. So we took out all the liquidity below is away. So that means that there is no long liquidity here. If we look, there is only short liquidity above these highs. If we take that out, because nobody is long anymore, if you are not angry and we can not scared to open up longs and we long here, we can trade towards these liquidity towards the shorts, because all the short positions are now in a huge profit, and that's not what we want. We want to take them out as well. So that's why I expect a V-shaped recovery from off here, which is a pretty good scenario. Then if we look at the USDT dominance, and I talk about this one a lot, but I was right once again, because literally I talked about the USDT dominance right over here, and I said we are currently laying above support. I wouldn't be surprised if we tap the support, and I didn't change any of these support zones. You can literally watch it on my X and on my YouTube. We touched it exactly right here, and after that we saw that surge towards the upside, which we discussed live in the video and live over on my X page. And that is why the cool down started. So that means that money is floating from crypto into the USDT dominance, which means crypto got a cool down. That's exactly what we have been seeing. But now we tapped the other side of the top side of the range here. So that means that we maybe can see some inflow in towards crypto right now, which could cause for a surge towards the upside. The V-shaped recovery I'm talking about. So yeah, pretty exciting to see that these charts literally play out like I predicted as well. So if you want to follow these charts and never miss a move again on the USDT dominance, but also on the whole crypto market, please make sure to follow me over on YouTube here and subscribe on my YouTube channel to never miss a daily update again. And if you like this video, please make sure to push the like button and you will never miss a move again here. Then we can see that Ethereum was maybe breaking out here, but we saw after the news Ethereum dump as well. So maybe we need to wait a little bit longer for that blast off of Ethereum. But what we can see here, we have a very big support zone, which we are supporting on right now. And we have some topside resistance here, which we need to break. So for now, Ethereum is just in a consolidation range with a very nice step of support. So I expect some upwards momentum here on Ethereum, but I'm very curious to see what we will do at some resistance point here, or we will break it towards the upside. So I keep my eye on Ethereum because I really think that there is a very high possibility to start an altcoin season at these points. But if we get those news events every single day, bad news in the market, it will keep it out altcoin season, because it's really bad news in the market, and even Bitcoin goes down, so that doesn't mean eventually altcoins will go up as well. So with those big news events, we will need to wait a little bit longer on alt season, but it will come definitely here. So Ethereum just looks very good. If you look at Ethereum Bitcoin, we also thought we saw a little breakout here, but it was a fake out towards the upside. Also here it looks quite the same as Ethereum. We have some top upside resistance here, and we have some downward sloping support line or upwards support line here, which we are supporting on right now. So I expect some more momentum going into Ethereum against Bitcoin here, which could cause for a price surge into Ethereum and altcoins as well. So that was it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss a move again, because I'm updating here every single hour and you will never miss a move again. If I open a big setup here, big trader, I'm posting it live over on my X page. So please make sure to follow me over there, and also make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, smash the like button to never miss a move again. And I'm literally sharing setups here because I am literally opening positions, swing positions